Hi, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables, ELA. Welcome to Section 12 of my Argumentative Essay Writing Workshop, where you will build your body paragraphs. If you've stumbled upon this video from YouTube, you can find a link for this workshop in the description. Now that you've created your topic sentences, gathered your evidence, and written your elaboration and discussion, it's time to put it all together to form your body paragraphs. In this notebook, you will build your first body paragraph. You will include your topic sentence, some transitions, your evidence, and your elaboration. You can scroll back up to find the gold stars and paste these pieces into your notebook. Pause this video for as long as it takes to do this for your first body paragraph. After you've pasted everything, it's time to mold and shape your writing. You may need to add or remove or rearrange words to make everything make sense and flow nicely. As you're writing, remember your topic sentence always goes first, but after that you can arrange the other elements of the paragraphs in any order that makes sense. Once you've completed your first body paragraph, you can complete your second and third body paragraph if you have been instructed to write them. If not, you can just leave those slides blank, or you may not even see those slides at all if your teacher has removed them. Go ahead and pause this video to paste and shape up your body paragraphs. Okay, now that you've finished writing your body paragraph or paragraphs, read each one very carefully. Does it make sense? Does it sound great? If you were the reader, would you understand what your writing meant? This is a great time to share with your peers and get some feedback if your teachers will allow it. That concludes this section of your argumentative essay writing workshop. In the next section, we'll begin writing your conclusion paragraph. Once again, if you've stumbled upon this video on YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description. I'm Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables, ELA, and I'll see you in the next video.